Hello friends, welcome to my channel Developers Point. In this channel, I will be posting the tutorial videos on coding languages. So to help the people who code or start to learn the new technologies. So in this channel, this is my first video. Here we will be learning that coding tools and languages. So let's start with the introduction. We will be building a web application using .NET, Angular and Entity Framework from scratch. And my name is Akib. I will be an instructor throughout this journey to build this application. So let's take a look at what we are actually going to build on this course. And what we are going to do is build an example of a dating app, a social kind of app which has many features to many different type of apps such as registration and login. So what we are using to build this particular application is .NET. .NET Core, and Microsoft has now rebranded or renamed .NET Core simply to .NET, and the latest version now is like .NET 5. So what we are also doing is adding Angular to application, and our .NET is going to form the backend of our application. It's going to be the API, and we are going to use Angular to provide the client-side application. Provides us with the framework to build a single-page application, and we are going to using that to display the user interface to the client. What we are also using is Entity Framework. It's going to provide us with the ability to query our database, and in order to help us build this application, we'll be using HTML, Bootstrap to provide the styling. Frame will be using a TypeScript to code the Angular application, and we'll be using C# to code .NET application. We'll be using the CLI commands. Obviously CLI commands are normal in Angular. So prerequisites. Now the prerequisites for this particular course. This course is aimed right about there, and if you consider where you are from a scale, like if you rate yourself as 0 or like 1, then this course is of course for you. Like you can go ahead and start the course immediately, but if you are at 0 level, then it's probably going to be little more difficult for you to start the course. But yeah, I have seen many people probably getting started from 0 level of experience in coding, but completing the course they will be having an experience from 8 to 10. Yes, really, from 8 to 10 I have seen many of the people. But while starting from the 0 level of experience may be too challenging or maybe too little bit too easy for you. It depends on personality to personality. If you are already an advanced programmer, then it will be very easy for you. So like I presume you already know that what and how to code, and I will be taking the course from the experience level of 1, and like I make little bit assumptions like C# classes, for loop, arrays and objects. And one more important thing for zero code experience before is like it will be more challenging, but you have to go through it, and it's more slowly. If you do not have any experience at all, it is possible because it's been done before, but you will need to take a very attractive approach to learning and possibly do more research as we go through the coding exercises in this course. So while in this course, then we'll get started. So why to learn with Developers Point? Here it's a big question. Well, to be frank, it's a very practical course. If you are a practical based learner, then this course is probably for you. It's always like I was always searching like for a course like this when I was learning to code, and I was always getting frustrated when I was being taught and I would be only told the easy stuff and not the things how got filtered together or like fitted together. Like they never told me like how to fit the things all together. In this course we'll be building a complete project. There is no cheating, and it is totally from scratch, and I repeat, it's totally from scratch. I'm not saying this course really hard, but we are going to do the work to build a complete project. The way this course is designed is every time we add something new to our application, we are looking at a new feature, a new topic, a new way to do something into our application while learning at the same time. And in this project, the main thing is I'll be providing no pre-built code in this course. We start our application absolutely from scratch. There is no cheating. There is no snippets that I get you to paste in, or maybe 99% of this application we are coding by hand and we are doing it ourselves. I'm not giving you any starting point. We are going to start it from an empty terminal. We are going to go through it step by step. I'll explain line by line what we are doing as we go along, and all our code is going to be built to best practice as well. And it's something you can use as a foundation to build your own projects and go further from this. So this course really is learning by doing as we build our projects. You will be learning more in terms of experience of building this particular project. What you will be needing to participate in this course is obviously a computer. It's a coding course, but the technologies we are using are cross platforms, so you can use Windows, Mac or Linux. The experience will be same because .NET and Angular are designed to operate and run on any of these operating systems. While coming to my point of view, I will be going to use Visual Studio's code, but I'm not saying that you should be using the same. You can use Visual Studios also, but it's good to go with the Visual Studio's code editor to use for what we are doing on this course. So I feel that's enough of an introduction, and चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin.